The Rode VXLR Plus features an M6 by 0.5 locking thread pitch, which is the information that I need to actually create these threads. And like I said, threads are one of the hardest things to make when it comes to 3D printing design. So that's what I hand off to my LLMs. So let's go to Chad, right? Let's see here. I'm just gonna grab that information. I'm gonna copy it. We're gonna open up Chat. And I go, going to need a STL file. How am I gonna write it? I need an STL file with this thread pitch, the M6 by 1.5, I'm gonna read back. I'm gonna with a female, because these are gonna be female threads that we need, right? Oh, okay. And we're gonna grab my caliper. So let me go ahead and let's go back to the overhead to show you why I need it. Make sure it's zeroed. Okay, zeroed. And now we're just gonna check how tall we need that thread. 2.48. So 2.5 millimeters is the height that we need this thread. Okay, so we go back over here and we need it female pitch. I'm gonna put cylinder. .5 millimeters tall. One millimeter. Actually, let's make it 2. And 2 millimeters thick. Okay. And I need to spell need correctly. Okay. Okay, so that is the prompt. I'm gonna need an STL file. Excuse me. I'm gonna need an STL file with female thread pitch M6 by 1.6 cylinder, 2.5 millimeters tall, and 2 millimeters thick. All right, and let's send that over to Chad from GPT. If you like this clip, then be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you're notified of my latest uploads and my weekly live stream. I've been going live every single Saturday for over 5 years, so I would love to hang out with you. Can't wait to see you there.